So I was looking through YouTube the other day and you know what? No. The reason I made a program that puts somebody else's face onto mine is because I am an 8-brained idiot who is only entertained by doing random shit in Python. But I still need to pick a face to put onto mine. And for that, I need one that's handsome, confident, most importantly, Sigma. Now the code part of this is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to use the same face tracking code I used in my last video, but there are a few changes worth looking at. So this section of code here is actually what I used to resize and apply the image to the facial track. And little fun fact, this section of code right here, I had the wrong 3 letters there at the start of the coding process. I wonder how long that took to fix. I wonder how long that took to fix. Something is going to break. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, it doesn't fucking work. This fucking code is going to drive me insane. I'm just pissed because literally if I can fix this one thing, it'll just work. But it doesn't want to fix this one thing because it fucking hates me, I guess. Like, it's literally the exact same thing. That's what I'm confused by. After we cleaned up that mess, we wrote some code so that the face dynamically adjusts in size depending on position and head shape. And then we'd done it. We'd reached peak Sigma. Oh, I know some people are going to say, oh, why didn't you make it a PNG? Just make it a PNG. You can see that it's already a PNG. That's just how CV2 outputs the image. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh. Oh, oh, shit. This is my best Joker impression. Here we go. I'm the Joker, baby. That's it. That's it. That's the line. We live in a society. We live in a society among us. Jumpy. The one thing keeps it all together. The one thing that keeps it all together. Genshin Impact. Why are you T-toursing? This is art. My life has improved dramatically since I invented the Sigma mirror, patent pending. I can wake up every morning and see a face that I don't hate. And it's not an experience I could keep to myself, so codes down in the comments, you can put any face you want to it. And because I know I'm gonna get this question, yes, that includes Amaranth. At the end of the day, this was a pretty fun project. I learned something, and I'm glad that you could be here to experience it with me.
It was one word. It was one fucking word. How did it take an hour to fix? Oh.